Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to show you one other cake recipe, almond cakes. We need 2 cup of plain flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of butter. I'm using almond flavor, food color few drops, baking powder 1 teaspoon, and we need 2 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of almonds, but we need to grind first, and raisins as well, few raisins, but if you don't like then you don't add, and 3 eggs. It's a very simple and very easy cake. Before baking we need to prepare the tin first. I'm using parchment paper, thick layer of butter, and attach almonds on the take 1.5 cup of sugar and 1.5 cup of butter and mix very well. After that we need to add 3 eggs and mix it until 5 minutes, and then I need to add essence. I'm using almond essence, few drops, not too much, and food color because I need little bit yellow cake. Mix very well. You can use electric mixture or electric beater as well. I'm not using, but you can use it if you want. It's up to you. Now I'm add olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and if you have olive oil you can use olive oil. It's very good, but if you don't have you can use any cooking oil. Now I need to add the plain flour, sifted plain flour. If you want, you can sift 2 or 3 times, because if sift 2 or 3 times more better. And gradually you need to add and little mix, then add and then mix again. And just remember, I'm using 1 full teaspoon of baking powder in the flour and then sift it. Just combine baking powder and flour and then sift it again. Now I need to add almonds. It's a grounded almonds and raisins, and mix very well. Batter is ready now. I just need to pour into the tin, and after 1 or 2 minutes I need to put it into the oven. After 40 minutes I'll just check. I want to check my cake. I think so it's done. Yes, it's done. It's properly done. Yes, properly baked now. Yeah. Let it be cool down first, and after that remove the cake from the tin and remove the parchment paper as well. This is the final look, butter almond cake. I hope you like it and you try at your home. I really love this cake, especially with my tea. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.